एंड नाउ क्योंकि हम उस फ्लो में है ना, उस फ्लो में मैं और एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा कि करप्शन, यू नो, यूथ बोलता है करप्शन करप्शन, एंड हाउ वाई, लेट मी मेक दिस स्पीक ऑन दिस टॉपिक एज वेल, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें ना, दीज आर ऑल कनेक्टेड थिंग्स। अपने आप पे काम करना, अपनी ईगो का ख्याल रखना, अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना, एंड करप्शन, दे आर ऑल कनेक्टेड है ये सारी चीज़ें। कैसे कनेक्टेड है अब बताता हूँ मैं आपको। अब सपोज लेट्स से कि वो तेरी बहन, ये तो फट गई मेरी यार। करप्शन क्या है भाई? मैं करप्ट हूँ, तुम करप्ट हो, हम सब करप्ट है। ये इंडियन आदमी का मैं कहूँगा, लोग कहते हैं ना जैसे कि गोरा आदमी सुसाइड करते हैं, यू नो, एक कुछ रेसेस के ये होते हैं ना, वाइट पीपल आर स्कूल शूटर्स वगैरह बोलते हैं, वैसे मैं कहूँगा कि इंडियंस आर करप्ट। ये हमारे रेस की एक बहुत ज़्यादा इट्स अ नेगेटिव पॉइंट ऑफ आर रेस कि वी आर स्पेशलिटी is corruption, whether you like it or not. Specialty is corruption, guys. I'm telling you, I am doing, I'm saying 110% this. Oh God. Oh God. अरे भैया आएगा कि नहीं ये? Okay. Let's see. Let's hope I don't run out of fuel. तो भारतीय इंसान का जो है ना, ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये हमारा अवगुण है, ये हमारा श्राप है। करप्शन और उससे जुड़ा ब्लैक मनी और उससे जुड़ी ठरक और सेक्स, होर्डिंग एंड फकिंग, and because of corruption comes a lot of other moral defects that are extremely demonstrated in the Mahabharata. Our amazing epic Mahabharata, they have demonstrated that. Now what I'm saying is that instead of these things, instead of all of जिन्हें कहते हैं ना कि एक बेवकूफ़ी से भरा, कोई भी आके होश खो बैठने वाले लोग बहुत जो है ना आज के टाइम पे, इंडिया को गाली देने वाले, ये वो what they do not understand is, and what message I would like to give Gen Z is that a lot of these things that you are fighting against and using मोदी जी का नाम लेके you are trying to abuse Narendra Modi ji or any prime minister or any leader, any political leader. What you actually don't understand is that it is the corruption of the society जिसकी वजह से ये देश ऐसा है जैसा तुम्हें नहीं चाहिए. That's why India is like that. It's not because of a particular governmental policy and all of those things. Yes, MLAs eat money, everybody eats money, and you guys make sure that you guys massage the government, you guys massage this, so on and so forth, because for you it is you are the beneficiary. आपको उसका फ़ायदा मिलता है. When you are on the good eyes of the government employee or the MLA, MP, minister, you actually, people normally flaunt their connections. That is also a reality. जस्ट बिकॉज आप उस साइड में नहीं हो जहाँ पे पावर है, आपको अंगूर खट्टे लग रहे हैं. आई एम सॉरी टू से, आई एम वेरी वेरी सॉरी टू से दिस, बट आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल्सो अ थिंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. Yes, I also agree that is bad. But then no, the world is not perfect. This thing is a broken world and you have to be real about certain things. जिस चीज़ के लिए तुम मोदी जी को गालियाँ दे रहे हो, यू शुड हैव ब्लेम्ड सोसाइटी. यू शुड हैव सेड कि यार हमें सोशल चेंज में ज़्यादा ये करना चाहिए. आई थिंक वी नीड एन एज ऑफ एनलाइटनमेंट. द वे द वेस्ट हैड एन एज ऑफ एनलाइटनमेंट, you should say we should have an age of enlightenment, so that we make sure as Indians that we imbibe civic sense, we imbibe these values that make the West so called saaf suthra and a good clean place to live, right? It shouldn't, it's because it's not. मैं इतना तक बोलने को तैयार हूँ कि देखो, जब नरेंद्र मोदी विल लीव ऑफिस, यू विल बी नॉस्टैल्जिक फॉर नरेंद्र मोदी जी. आप लिटरली दुआएं मांगेंगे कि यार प्रधानमंत्री जिस तरह से now you know they are trying to sing praises for Manmohan Singh ji. When he was in office, people made fun of me, and Manmohan Singh ji said that, I'll tell you something, he said, history will be kinder to me. Those were his exact words. History will be kinder to me. And now there is a huge thing where, yo, Manmohan Singh ji so great, Manmohan Singh ji so great, so on and so forth, right? Now उनके fans आ गए. Similarly, when Modi ji leaves office, you would also have a movement that says miss you Modi, right? You will also have, because the guy who is going to come after Narendra Modi from this society, with these evils that are present in the society, these issues that exist in society, is going to make Narendra Modi look like an angel. Because say what you will, you can criticize Narendra Modi, you can criticize the BJP, you can criticize any of the politicians. This applies to any politician worth his salt who has been in the game for the last, I would say, let's say 10 to 20 years. 20 years is a good timeline. Somebody who's been in the game for 20 years, you should have a certain amount of respect for them, because they have been able to sort of mitigate, and they have been able to manage the chaos in a decently well manner. Because yes, I mean, there are so many flaws that these politicians have, and all of that, but you can't really argue that. It's hard, man. It's hard to govern a country like India. It's not as easy when people are crazy, there's no civic sense, so on and so forth, there's no discipline. Why would there be a discipline? Because India had gone through such a hard time, there was so much poverty and all of that. ये सारे values imbibe करने में time लगता है ना यार. To have to go through that age of enlightenment, what time का बात है, तकलीफ का बात है. It can be very easy, provided कि society में उस type की चीज़ें हमेशा आप करते रहे. उसमें यस, रेवोल्यूशन उस टाइप का जब होता है, तकलीफ होती है लोगों को, बट देन नो पेन नो गेन. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विथ लाइफ. नाउ यू हैव पीपल लाइक अरुंधति रॉय and so called all the people, I can die in peace and all. No, I mean, what are you trying to say? You know very well that the problem with India, it's a social problem. It requires a proper spiritual revolution. That these people are just they are what, a symptom. आप कह रहे हो यार tumor ke yeah, you have boils and all of that. You are saying that I have boils. You don't have boils. Maybe you have cancer. You have to fix the cancer first. So it's the same thing. You've just treated a certain symptom. You've put a band-aid that will give you relief. You've taken a painkiller, but you haven't really gone deep into that issue. You haven't really said, okay, what the hell do I have to do so that this thing doesn't come back again? That's my main thing, dude. I don't want this disease back again. And the disease of corruption is a disease of the spirit. Because we are in a sad way, because of all these things, we are not spiritually evolved. It's a very sad thing. Where India, despite being the motherland of spirituality, is not as spiritual as it seems. We have corruption left, right and center. You can say that. You can say that. You could say that. And yeah, people have, every nation has its problems. I'm not gonna say that it doesn't. But we should, or rather I would say there should more Indians and Gen Z and all of these guys have the energy. ये अगर आपने spiritual मुहिम अगर चलाते, and I think if something like this happens, where changing habits, individual responsibility, those things are cultivated through the use of spirituality and the complete heritage that we have in India, there is a chance that you will have a country that hasn't been seen in the history of the world. Because we truly know that progress lies in the heart, like the real heart, and not something that is external. I'm not saying that we won't make external progress, but we will make sure that we make internal progress as well. We have our hearts in the right place. We become big people. जैसे होता ना बड़े आदमी, यार बहुत बड़ा आदमी है यार वो, दिल का राजा है वो यार, उस टाइप के जो लोग होते हैं ना, we would be those people. And I seriously feel that you shouldn't really have I don't think abusing senior leaders is a good habit. गालियाँ वालियाँ देना अपने से 30-40 साल के बड़े आदमी को, it's in bad taste. It's in bad taste. I hate to say this, but there is a chance that a lot of the guys who were part of that protest, they were there for, sorry to say, but I think views. Would not be a wrong thing to say, but a lot of them were there for views. Had they been coherent in their anger is good if it's applied in the right way. It can cook your food and everything, but shouldn't misuse it for some other purposes, I would say. I just wish them all the best, man, all the best. But मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा सा अपने आप पे, अपने ईगो पे, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जैसे नरेंद्र मोदी जी कहते हैं आत्मनिर्भर, इफ़ यू कैन रियली बी दैट एंड यू कैन कट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. ये जो जहर पीते हैं ना लोग इंस्टाग्राम का, ये जहर है, ये एक्चुअली जहर है. इंस्टाग्राम, एक्स वगैरह, मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार, तुम मोटरसाइकिल राइड वाइड ये करवा दो कहीं पे इंडिया में, तुम्हारा सारा जहर उतर जाएगा. रिलेटिव से दूर रहो थोड़ा सा, आपका सारा जहर उतर जाएगा. मजाक की बात नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ सही में. कोई आपको ये नहीं बोलेगा कि भैया ये क्या हो गया, वो क्या हो गया. इट रियली इज़ अबाउट द एक्सटर्नल, वरना प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं. मैं मजाक की बात नहीं कर रहा, प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं. पेपर लीक हुआ है, यस, इट विल बी रेमेडीड. आगे जाके भी कुछ ना कुछ लफड़ा होगा. परफेक्ट होने में टाइम लगता है सिस्टम को. आप अपना हौसला बुलंद रखो एंड जस्ट वर्क हार्ड, एवरीथिंग विल फॉल इनटू प्लेस. ट्रस्ट मी, दैट इज़ द लॉ ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी भाई, दैट इज़ द लॉ ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी. भक्ति करो, भक्ति, फोकसिंग मोर ऑन भक्ति. People say karma yoga and all of that. No, bhakti.